Hey ho, it's off to Karen's we go. We're gonna craft all afternoon with the Bernat Quickweave. Neither of us have tried this product, and so we're gonna do a box opening and see what we're gonna get ourselves into this afternoon. Karen, get that umbrella open. We're gonna do some box opening. Come on, girl. What do you call something green underneath a yellow umbrella?
Is this it?
Yeah.
This is that new?
It's weaving.
That's gonna be exciting.
In a little box like that. Okay, open it.
Okay. I'm excited. Curious and oh, colors are pretty.
Yeah, I picked those colors for you because I know you like fancy fun.
Fancy fun. I like color for sure. Oh. Isn't this is interesting. So you're gonna weave the yarn through these.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you feel how soft that is?
It's really soft. Now
even the mesh. So you get to make a scarf. So it takes about 4 hours. So guess what that means? I'm with you all afternoon, baby.
Okay. Woohoo!
Do you want to see what's in my box?
Yes.
So when I saw this product, Karen, at Yarnspirations, I flipped out, and there was like an hour meeting, and they showed me this, and the rest of my meeting, it was like Charlie Brown with a wah, 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 wah. I never heard a darn thing. I was so shocked with this. So I'm gonna open this box.
Oh, look at the colors on that one. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Do you get why it's striped? Because you're gonna create your own plaid with this. This is so incredibly squishy and soft. I always snip my stuff. And let's see what yarn came with. You get your instructions with it, and then we get your balls of yarn. So they've already pre-selected the colors
to go with that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's gonna be nice. So
fun?
the stripes in the actual scarf are gonna help make different stripes in the weave.
Yes. Isn't that cool? Just like you see it in the box.
Yeah, that's cool.
Crafternoon day. You want to have a race?
You're gonna win. You win at all things.
Sweetie,
yarn.
you're like the crafter queen.
Oh, please.
Okay, I don't know what I'm doing yet. I had to read the instructions too. You know, Karen, I have an idea. If we have to measure out 67 inches per strand, why don't we work together? So I think we just got to measure one strand, and then we use that strand and we pull it together.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Right?
And we need 67.
Go to the tip.
Yeah. Okay. And in goes the scissors.
You know what we could do too?
What's that?
If we remember the colors of each, we do all four at the same time. We do 2 kits.
Well, sure, because we have different yarns.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's do it. Okay.
But don't be using my colors.
Well, I like the purples and the pinks and the oranges. 30 strands of one color and 28 of another.
Okay, grab one pre-cut strand. So we're grabbing all 4 balls at the same time.
Pre-cut.
And it's already pre-cut, and we just go together.
Okay. Oh, I have the skills. And right about there. Correct?
Yep.
Okay.
And scene. That's awesome. We're doing. So what I need to do is keep my mouth shut and just follow your lead. Oh. Okay, so we got our little dispenser to go on.
So all I've basically done is pulled through until the end, and then I'm gonna just kind of loop it around that post. Is that the proper word, do you think?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I actually used the tool to do that.
And I probably should have.
It's surprisingly helpful.
Surprisingly helpful.
No, you never know, right? When you get the tools and the products.
Well, yeah, that's true. But it does mimic like a weaving tool.
Like a shuttle.
Yeah, like a shuttle, yeah. So maybe they should call this the shuttle. So now it's looped around both posts. I'm maybe doing, I don't know, 6 or 8 of those weaves and then pulling it flat.
This tool is surprisingly good.
Yeah, no. I like, it's actually a good size.
Yeah.
It's actually really good.
I
yeah.
can do multiple at the same time without having to reset.
Correct, yeah.
Okay, so if I'm gonna do it this way, let's show how you're gonna do it then.
Through. Whoop. Now that you're all dizzy. So I am pulled through every once in a while. So filled it up just like you did and then pulled it flat. You know what, Michael? This is so fetch.
Seriously, that's never gonna happen, Garen. So I'm now starting my next one, and I have to make sure it's opposite to what was below here so that it becomes really kind of cool. So you just gotta change, just like you see. So let's see how that will look. Another observation that I'm having is that the more that I'm doing this, the better the mesh sits down because it's so lightweight and soft. So I'm finding the more I'm getting in, the easier it is to, and speed just picks right up. It's awesome. But I'm probably getting used to it too. Karen, this is actually so fetch.
Really? Why don't you just listen to me?
Now time for a music montage.
Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I will let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, you would feel my flow on the ground beneath you. Together we fall like dominoes. Wouldn't let you go.
Guess who has a new scarf? I do. Yes, isn't it wonderful? And it really is quick and easy. It's great. It's Bernat Quickweave, and I think the colors are absolutely amazing. So don't let the mesh throw you off, because once the yarn gets woven in, it's fabulous. Hope you had a great one, and thanks for joining Karen and I for this box opening and testing of this fun little product.
You would feel my flow on the ground below.